We're here at SLE Equipment at Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 6.4x12 Today we're going to be looking at the 6.4 by 12 tandem utility trailer with 2-foot mesh. This does come with your jack, coupler, and safety chains. It does have your spare tire holder, as well as the breakaway box. This trailer does have 2 foot of mesh along the side. Has your tie down points that are built in. Flooring is pressure treated wood. This trailer comes with the black diamond plate fenders, as well as 2 Greasable 3,500 pound axles. This does come with brakes. Here we have the Dovetail. It is wired with LED drive lights. Your reinforced loading gate. Once again, this is our 6.4 by 12 Dovetail utility trailer. This is a tandem trailer with 2-foot mesh sides. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.